Hello, my name is Grace Insvinger, and this is my ecology project for BIO-182 lab. The endangered species I chose was Cyclura iguana, which is a genus of iguana. Behaviors are that they are terrestrial. They are also known as rock iguanas because they mainly live in rocks near the ocean on most islands that they live on. They're very territorial, especially males during breeding season. They like to stay in their area and make sure the others stay in their own area. More dominant animals, usually the males, get better areas than others. They are also very territorial because they are cold-blooded, so they have to get heat from the sun. They cannot regulate their own body temperature. They're island dwellers, as I said. They always stay near rocks and near the water, near the ocean, so they can have a quick getaway if they have a sky-born predator coming after them. And since they have such tough, thick skin, they don't have many predators in the ocean. Well, because they don't swim too deep, but that's pretty much it. For breeding, they are oviparous, which means they lay eggs outside of the body. So they have about this sized egg that it has a leathery coating to it, unlike our chicken eggs, which have a hard coating that can be cracked. The females dig a burrow, which can be about 1.5 meters long total when they're very large female iguanas. The females can lay between 5 to 25 to 40 eggs in one clutch. That depends on the species and on the female itself. If the female's older, they'll probably lay more eggs than a juvenile that was just now became fertile. The one unique thing is the females do guard the burrow for a few weeks after laying. They are long gone by the time the babies are hatching, but they do guard the burrow for a while. The main threats that Cyclura iguana face are humans. We take over their islands, destroy their habitats, and a lot of construction equipment digs up the burrows and kills all the eggs. They're also very desirable for the pet trade. So black market dealers go into their islands and take babies or take full-grown adults and try to sell them on the black market for money. Just destruction of natural habitat, digging up their burrows, their nests, and burning and using all the forest that they use for shelter for lumber. Because this is the most endangered lizard species, they've gained a lot of recognition of late. A lot of zoos and private collectors are starting to breed them and try to have a population of all the species off island in case anything were to happen to the wild population. One of the big names in this is Ty Park. He has created a place called Iguana Land in southwestern Florida, where he has been breeding this specifically Cyclura iguana. He's now expanded to other reptile species that are endangered. But he uses this park to educate people, specifically kids, so that they can know more about these animals and help build awareness for these endangered reptiles. There are a lot of protected areas on the islands that these iguanas call home now. So they have protected places where poachers cannot get in. Theoretically, they do sometimes, of course, but poachers cannot get in. They're not used for development or new building complexes. And these areas help protect the iguanas and allow their nests to hold the eggs up to term so that the new babies can hatch and create a new generation of the iguana. And these are my resources. And that's it. Thank you.